Hi, this is a quick demo about how to use an installation profile in Drupal 6. We've created a custom installation profile, and I've blogged about it on stonebergdesign.com. And now I'm going to show you the fruit of the labor. This is the installation profile file that we'll be using. It lives in this directory here. You have a profile file inside of our install profile. We also have a couple of include files for settings. We also have this include file which contains some content that's been exported from another site that we're going to import into the site. If you look, I'm in my web root here, and this is the Drupal installation that we have after we ran the make file that we built. Inside of it we have a custom installation profile that was downloaded from GitHub. It's called Art. Inside of there are the files that we were just looking at. When Drupal sees this installation profile in the profiles directory, it will ask us on the install screen if we'd like to use that profile when installing. And this is what that looks like. So we're going to click on this and go forward. Drupal's going to now use our installer rather than the default installer to get set up, and that means that we're going to get all sorts of goodies that we configured inside of our installation profile. Although it took a while to set up, it sure does pay off quickly setting up an installation profile. I build a lot of Drupal sites and build and rebuild as I test different things, and this gets me going very quickly to have a good base site to run from. I also have a couple of different types of sites that I consistently build, and so by having an installation profile set up, I can hit the ground running and have a number of configuration items already set. So once I'm connected to the database, I'm going to go through and enter the typical information that we enter on a Drupal installation screen. You can already see that the site name has changed up in the header. Now it's going to install the modules that we told it we wanted to install as part of the installation process. So now a bunch of modules have been enabled. And so we will go ahead and cruise right through this typical Drupal screen where we're going to set the user and password. And we'll go ahead and finish the installation process and go to our new site. Get ready, here it comes. This doesn't look at all like your typical Drupal site. The biggest shocker, of course, is that we don't have Garland, which in Drupal 6 we're very used to. So we've set a different theme. We've imported some content and created links for that content in the primary links. You can see that we've also enabled a different theme for the administration area of the website. Which looks very nice. I really like this theme. We also have, we can go over and look at the modules screen and see that we have a number of our modules, like views, jQuery update, rules, administration, UI strong, or path auto. These are all enabled because of our installation profile. So what we don't have to do is click through this screen. You can also see that we've got a new role that's been set up here, manager. And that manager that role has had some permissions assigned to it, as you can see. We can also go to see, in my opinion, what is the best thing about this. Get ready for it. Oh yes. Is that a WYSIWYG? Oh yes it is. This installation profile has the WYSIWYG pre-configured. So I can go ahead and I can say, hey, how about if I just use a WYSIWYG right out of the box in Drupal. It's quite revolutionary. So you can see that an installation profile can really be powerful in getting you going, getting you up to your starting place in a hurry when your starting place involves a lot more than just Drupal core. Hope that you enjoyed this. Thank you.